Hello there, data wizards and curious minds. In this video, we're exploring the incredible resources and insights offered by Datafloq, the go-to platform for staying ahead in the world of data. And to start with this wonderful website, simply head on over to Datafloq and click on the first one, Datafloq, driving innovation through data and technology. Once you click to the link, you get directly to the home page or the interface of the website, where you'll find all the key features that you may need or that you will need on the Datafloq, and the buttons where you can log in if you have already an account on Datafloq, or register if this is the first time to you and the website, and other information like structure video and something that you need to know. We'll come back to this page later after I show you how to do register for the first time. Okay, to do that you need to go up, click on register, and you need to fill this information here: the first name, the email address, and the password, the last name. When you see this red star, that means it's obligatory that you need to fill that case to create the account successfully. And for the password, you can see it from this eye here. So okay, let's subscribe first and then register to your name. And email address, and we need to confirm that we're not a robot, and subscribe. And you can just unsubscribe in any time that you want. And after subscribing, let's continue the registering, and we need here to retype the password. You need to agree in this two cases here and click on register. It's so easy. And if you have already an account on Loudme, you need just to click on login, or from this one here. So your account was created successfully. Please check your email address. A verification link is sent to your email. So let's check now our inbox to see the email. Now to confirm the email address Datafloq, we need to click in here. And retype the username or the email address and the password that we create later. And if the ordinator or the mobile phone want to remember you need just to click on this case here. If you don't want that, you need just to cancel it, like I will do now, and click on login. This step here is for the verification. So the account now is created successfully, and this is how it's be now, because this is the first time I use it. So like you see here, no published event found, and also the jobs and the article. Now for the article, or the news in the article, the Datafloq provides a wealth of news article, expert opinions, and thought leadership pieces on a wide range of data-related topics. These articles cover areas such as data science, data governance, data privacy, data-driven decision making, and emerging technologies and the data space. And also here in the events, you'll find webinars and events, because the Datafloq organize and promote webinars, conferences, and events related to data and analytics. These events serve as opportunity for professionals to connect, learn from industry experts, and stay updates with the latest trend and innovation. You will see that I have no events, no job, and no article, because I just start with the website when you will add what you want. So here you will find a lot of things. Like example, if I want to go to the big data here, you will find an agile data management and enterprise transformation, and navigating to challenge of enterprise system modernization, and others. You can just change the kind of the article from here, the events, advertise, jobs, or also the jobs and careers opportunities. The Datafloq features a job board that showcases data related a job board that showcase data related job opportunities from various industries and locations. This allows professionals to explore career options and the data field and stay informed about job opening in their areas of expertise. And this is very important thing you will find in every NCS website. Like you see with me here, a lot of jobs and career opportunities. You need just to click on the job that you want to enter and read about it, the information, and you will just get in. It's very easy. So this is all the information about it: the location, the Redfield Park, and the classification, the compensation. A lot of information here. So this is our site today. I hope you get to understand, and if you like the video, please subscribe and follow me for more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, bye bye to the next video and next websites.